What's up, YouTube? No Class Garage here. We're working on a 2016 Nissan Sentra. We got check engine light on. We're gonna run the codes and see what it says. It's like a throttle position sensor code p2138. I've already got the part right here. So we're gonna take a look under the hood and show you what we're gonna do. That's what it looks like. Get out that with this hose, I do this, got 4 bolts. And I plug the sensor right there and install the new part. Here's the new part. Alright, I'm gonna dive in. I'll update you guys in a minute. Alright, YouTube, so far it seems fairly easy to do this. What you're gonna need is a mini ratchet, 5/16 that fits on all your hose clamps, all the bolts that go to the throttle body, pair of pliers to pull off these little guys right here. Most hated clamps there are, but it works. Also these two. Here's your plug right here. It's pretty simple. Press that in, pull it off, comes right off. I use the drill to get the clamps off, pliers for those, this for those. Here's the old one.
No, carbon buildup in there.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. The reason you have to buy the whole throttle body and not just the sensor, if you look right here, Nissan was so nice that they riveted the sensor to the throttle body. Which really makes it cool, I guess, so you buy more parts, but you know, go Nissan, right? So we're gonna install the new one, start the car up and see if the codes go away and see if it runs right. Alright, buttoning up the finishing touches. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is this piece, just so you know, it only sits in there. 1, 2 right there, one right here, one right here. You just gotta kind of pull these out. But we're all done here. It's a pretty simple job. I believe anyone with tools and a little bit of time, it probably only took me about 20-30 minutes to do it. We're gonna start the car up right now. Clear all the tools and stuff out of the engine bay. Last thing you want to do is slam the hood shut on your tools. But all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next video. We'll see you guys later. All right, YouTube, test drive the car. Took the part back to get my cord charged back. As you can tell, no lights on the dash, only the tire pressure sensor. It's because I put different rims on the car and they don't have the sensors in it. But so it seemed to fix my problem. Car drives normal, goes over 60. Looks like we're all good to go.